Are you currently having problems with your Taco Bell that it says, oops, something went wrong or something similar to that basically, and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Taco Bell app, and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I scrolled down and then I click where it says general in here. So I clicked on general. Now I scroll down in here once again and I clicked on storage, as you can see. So I clicked on storage, and now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page here to completely load. And by the way, if you're using an Android, it's going to be basically the exact same step-by-step guide as well. But what you need to do on your Android phone, you need to find also settings, and then you need to find storage on your Android phone. And in here, we're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner, search for Taco Bell, and click on the Taco Bell app. Now we're just going to click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds, as you can see, and then click on the blue button here again. So now you're just going to wait for your Taco Bell to actually update to the latest version. And sometimes this can take like a couple of minutes, just so you know. But just wait for it to completely update, then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.